This is my last day in Vegas. I'm kind of tired. I need some sleep. I'm not looking forward to that 2-hour drive tonight, though, to go back to Cali. I'm sad. But it was fun. I need to go find something to eat. The parties at 7, the pool parties at 7. I'm gonna try to film a little bit of it. Vacation is over. I'm walking now. My feet hurt.
She can even ride it. Go ahead with your feet just like this. Then he showed you the leg.
Shout out to my Africans in the building. I see you, baby. Let's go. Shouts to Kyle, you know what it is. Chocolate. All the ladies out here. Okay. Shouts to my ladies from Toronto. I see you. I will be in that Caravana this year. Follow instructions.
Because I have a photo shoot with my sister.
Turn it up one time. Listen. Turn it up. Okay.
5 up this time.
time.
Wait. I gotta drink my drink first. You know.
Excuses.
My dinner was kind of heavy, so I had to let it digest.
Excuses.
Let me work. Motivation.
Oh, under God. That one on my head.
Walking down the street in my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll. Animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra. And like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body.
My last name is Isaac.
Girls be looking like damn fly. I pick to the beat, walking down the street in my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll. Animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra.
Show 'em what you got, Diane. Show 'em what you got.
Yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body.
It's your time, Diane. Show them something.
Girl, look at that body.
You representing Boston tonight.
When I walk in the spot. But my body.
You gotta impress my judges. Don't look at me. Yeah, that's your judges right there.
I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess.
Oh my God. Interesting. Where you from? You from Cali? I'm from the Bay Area. I'm from the Bay Area. I'm finna show you something. She from the Bay Area? Alright, I'm gonna play something for Miss Evie from the Bay Area. Vai lá, Jorge. That ass is mine. Open it up. Vai lá, Jorge. This is what you call Haitian Vegas style. What is getting? Oh my God.
you good, baby. Now we got to shit. Come to business. Down my way to live. When the ambition is I need some more baby. Some love is on
Miss Waterbrink, spending time with senior citizens at Hobby. She's 5'4". Presenting after party. Oh my God! Oh, what's this? Hold on! Oh shit! Hold on! Wow! 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 Yeah, I give her like a 25. My judges, TNT, what's up? TNT gives her a 10. Mac D gives her a 10. That's a 20. That's a 9? Oh, that's a 19. Oh, okay. That's all good?
No, that's 18. We got a
Miss Waterbrink, you ready?
Fendi. Places I can't afford. Tiffany and Company. Oh.
Dedication to my lady Johnny from Johnny.
That's my safe lady.
Dedication from him to
Mandalay
Johnny.
Bay.
Listening to 105.
The peanut factory. I want to smile and see how that was. Okay.
They smile at the peanut factory.
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah. Traffic is horrid out here. But the hillsides are pretty though. Very, very nice hillside.